Okay viewers, here we will discuss a few sums on polynomial using factor theorem and remainder theorem. We have already discussed the factor theorem. If x minus a is a factor of the polynomial px, then pa equal to 0. And conversely, if pa equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px, right? This is a factor theorem. If x minus a is a factor of the polynomial px, then pa equal to 0, or if pa equal to 0, x minus equal a is a factor of px. Now, using factor theorem, determine whether gx is a factor of px in each of the following cases. You are given px equal to twice x cube plus x square minus twice x minus 1, gx equal to x plus 1. Now you have to find whether gx is a factor of px. Now how will you solve this? If gx equal to x plus 1, or you can write it as x minus is a factor of px, then p minus 1 equal to 0. Just remember the factor theorem. If x minus a is a factor of px, then pa equal to 0. Here a means minus 1, x minus a means minus 1, p minus 1 equal to 0. Now you put x equal to minus 1 in case of px, p minus 1 equal to twice of minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square, 2 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 cube means minus 1. This is odd number. Odd number means minus 1. Minus 1 square, even number, this is plus 1. Minus minus plus, this is 2. Now you simplify this. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, plus 1, plus 2, minus 1. You see, minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. Now p minus 1 equal to 0. That means x minus this is a factor of px. That is, x minus minus 1 means x plus 1. X plus 1 is a factor of px. That is, gx is a factor of px, right? Take another example. Suppose px equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 and gx equal to x minus 3. Now we have to prove if gx is a factor of px. Now if x minus 3 is a factor of px, then p3 equal to 0. It's a factor theorem. If x minus a is a factor of the polynomial px, pa equal to 0. If x minus 3 is a factor of px, p3 equal to 0. Now let's check p3. What is p3? p3 equal to, you put x equal to 3 here, 3 cube minus 4 into 3 square plus 3 plus 6, 27 minus 36 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6. This means 36 minus 36 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 3 is a factor of x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. That is, gx is a factor of px. We prove that gx is a factor of px. X minus 3 is a factor of px. Now using this factor theorem, we can factorize polynomial also. Now let's factorize polynomial. Question, suppose factorize factorize polynomial. Say for example, you are given suppose 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Question 1. Now how to factorize this polynomial? It means you express this as a product of another two polynomial. This is suppose fx equal to 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Now you can express fx as a product of two polynomials, suppose gx into hx. Now you have to find these two other polynomials. Now by using trial method by factor theorem, we will try to find at least first one factor of this polynomial. Now let's put f equal to 1. 6 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 6. 6 plus 5 minus 6 equal to 5, not equal to 0. That is, if f1 is not equal to 0, x minus 1 is not a factor of fx. X minus 1 is not a factor of fx. Right? Now let's find f minus 1. F minus 1 equal to 6 into minus 1 square plus 5 into minus 1 minus 6. This is 6 minus 5 minus 6 equal to minus 5, not equal to 0. That is, x plus 1 is not a factor of fx. X plus 1 is not a factor of fx. Now let us try to prove it. f2 equal to 6 into 2 square 5 into 2 minus 6. This is also 2 to the 4, 624 plus 10 minus 6, not equal to 0. F minus 2, this means 6 into minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 minus 6. This is 24. 5 to the 10 minus 10 minus 6 equal to not equal to 0. That means x plus 2 is also not a factor of px. Now let's try with f3. f3 equal to 6 3 square 5 into 3 minus 6, not equal to 0. f minus 3, 6 into minus 3 square plus 5 into minus 3 minus 6. 54 minus 15 minus 6, not equal to 0. That is also not a factor of this polynomial. So let's try another way. Again you treat fx equal to 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Now let's put fx equal to 6 is a 36, right? 36 equal to 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. Now can we split the middle term in terms of any of the factors, any of the pair of factors? You see 9 minus 4 equal to 5, so you can write it as 6x square plus 9 minus 4 into x minus 6. Now you see product of 9 and minus 4 is minus 36, and product of 6 and minus 6 is minus 36. So we try to split the middle term. 6x square 9x minus 4x minus 6. You can take common here, both are divisible by 3 and both are divisible by x twice x plus 3. Here you can take 2 common. 2 is a common factor of 4 and 6. That means twice x plus 3. Again you get twice x plus 3 is common, 3x minus 2. So factors of fx are 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. We did it with the help of middle term splitting. Now take another example. Suppose fx equal to 3x square minus x minus 4. Can we try to do it by factor theorem? Let's put fx equal to 3x square minus x minus 4. Put fx equal to suppose 1. 3 into 1 square minus 1 minus 4. 3 minus 5 equal to minus 2, not equal to 0. X minus 1 is not a factor of fx. Let's put fx equal to x equal to minus 1. Then 3 into minus 1 square minus x equal to minus 1 minus 4. Then this is 3 minus 1 plus 1. This equal to 0. If minus 1, if you put x equal to minus 1, then this polynomial becomes 0. That means x plus 1 is a factor of fx. We got a factor of fx. So let's try to find another factor. Let's divide fx by x plus 1. 3x square minus x minus 4. You put here 3x, 3x into x, 3x square, 3x into 1 plus 3x. Then you subtract this, you get minus 4x minus 4. You put here minus 4 into x minus 4x, minus 4 into plus 1 minus 4, remainder is 0. Therefore, fx equal to one factor is x plus 1, another factor is 3x minus 4. Right? This is how we can factorize with the help of factor theorem also. Let's do one more example. 3. Suppose fx equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now f1 equal to 1 cube 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. This is 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Now f1 equal to 0, therefore x minus 1 is a factor of fx. Now you got one factor of fx. How will you find the other factor? You divide this polynomial by one factor. You divide this polynomial by x minus 1. You put here x square into x, x cube minus x square. Now you subtract this, you will get minus x square minus x plus 2. Now put here minus x into x, minus x square, minus x into minus 1 plus x. You subtract this, you get minus 2x plus 2. Then you put minus 2 here, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, remainder is 0. So fx equal to, you get x minus 1 into x square minus x minus 2. So we find fx equal to product of two polynomial. Say this is one polynomial, another polynomial is this. Now treat this polynomial as gx. Suppose let gx equal to x square minus x minus 2. Now we'll try to factorize this polynomial. Say for example z minus 1. Z minus 1 equal to minus 1 square minus 1 minus 2 1 plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of gx. Now you got one factor of gx. How do you get the other factor? You divide this polynomial by x plus 1, x square minus x minus 2. You divide this. You put here x into x square, x into 1, 1x. Now subtract this, minus twice x minus 2. You put here minus 2, then you get minus twice x, minus 2 into 1, minus 1, minus 2. Remainder is 0. So gx equal to, one factor of gx is x plus 1, other factor is x minus 2. We got gx in terms of the product of two factor. Now we find fx equal to fx. What is fx? X minus 1 into, this is gx. Gx means x plus 1 into x minus 2. This is how you can factorize with the help of factor theorem. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.